Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can join guilds in Archero 2. So if you're playing Archero 2 and if you're above chapter 5, then you'll be able to easily join guilds. If not, then the requirement to join guilds is to reach chapter 5, which means once you complete chapter 5 and you'll get to almost level 10 at that point, you'll see a pop-up on your game that guilds have been unlocked. So you need to complete chapter 5 in Archero 2 in order to unlock guilds. And once you do that, once you're level 10 and you've unlocked chapter 5, you're going to get the guilds option right next to hunt and reach 1 to 10, right above start. And once you get the guild option, you will simply press on it and then you'll see the lists of guilds that you can join. From there, simply you can just click on the guild that you want to join and you'll be able to join the guild. So that is the only requirement if you want to join guilds in Archero 2. The requirement is that you need to complete chapter 5 in Archero 2 and you will be able to unlock the option for guilds, because before that the guild option would be locked, and the guild option after being unlocked would appear right after reach 1 to 10 and hunt above start. Thanks for watching and subscribe for more.